Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. A couple of gift ideas for Father's Day for dads who love to read. The Heart of the Wild, Dispatches from Landscapes of Wonder, Peril and Hope is a new title from science and nature writer David Quammen. He worked with a collection of his writings for National Geographic, telling tales of long treks through Africa with explorers like Mike Fay and the wondrous Jane Goodall, who learned how to use duct tape to combat blisters from Quammen in the Congo.
12 kilometers through the swamp and the forest to get her to this remote place. She was wearing a cheap pair of plastic market sandals, and her feet were torn up by the time we got to the camp.
The title again, The Heart of the Wild. Other recommended books, Adam Gopnik's The Real Work on the Mystery of Mastery and Dr. Michael Roizen's latest, The Great Age Reboot. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.